Welcome, incredible humans. Sometimes the camera catches things we weren't meant to see. Most of these events happen in a flash, but lucky for us, the cameras were rolling. We've compiled the wildest, most terrifying, and beautiful sights ever recorded. Get ready to see nature at its most extreme. Number 15. You won't believe the scale of this. The Luca River in Congo is surging, pushing massive walls of hyacinth straight toward the bridge. Watch this. Number 14.
En Sumatra, el Parque Nacional de Gunung Leuser. Esta es
Most people go their whole lives without seeing this. This is the Titan arum, one of the rarest flowers on Earth, hidden deep in the Sumatran jungle. Honestly, it's just plain bizarre. Number 13.
Wow, look at the snow. It's come up.
Whoa, wait, look at that snow. You've got to see this. A massive avalanche just wiped out the entire Sardone slope in the French Alps, and it's honestly one of the wildest things I've ever seen caught on camera. Number 12.
It's coming like that. Oh my gosh, it's coming. It's coming so fast. Like a line. This is so weird. This is like sci-fi.
Wait, do you see that line of rain? It's not just raining, it's closing in like a wall. I've never seen nature look this terrifyingly perfect. It's moving way faster than I thought possible. I'm definitely going to get soaked, but I can't stop filming this. Number 11. You won't believe this is Marrakesh. Look at how quickly the sky turns dark. This is nature on another level. Number 10. Wait for this. I literally had to double take when I saw this dust devil tear across the Black Rock Desert. Number 9. I still can't believe this was caught on camera. Watch as the entire hillside in Dagestan collapses in seconds. Number 8. Look at this. São Paulo, Brazil, just turned into a frozen wasteland in seconds. I've never seen hail pile up like this before. You have to see how fast this happens. Number 7. Look at this. They're actually using their own bodies to build a bridge across this stream. I've honestly never seen teamwork like this before. Number 6. Just look at these fireflies. It's like the forest is breathing light. But here's the reality. These magical moments are becoming incredibly rare. We're actually losing them, and you need to see why. Number 5. This is exactly why you don't turn your back on nature. This footage from Guatemala captures the moment Santiaguito erupted, forcing locals to run for their lives as a massive pyroclastic flow surged down the mountain. Number 4. You won't believe your eyes. This is the exact moment an EF3 tornado tore through Dolores, turning a calm street into pure chaos in seconds.
On the tree.
Yeah, she's coming. Get up, come on. Good? Yeah, good. Okay, Bobby? Allah, çok sık.
Have you ever thought about using car floor mats to protect your windows?
Roar.